Leo is walking to school when he suddenly stops. His bag feels too light and something is missing. He looks inside and his heart jumps. He forgot his lunch. But how did this happen? Leo woke up early this morning and he had so much time. Let's go back to the start and see. In this video, first you will listen to Leo's story and read along. Then you will answer some questions with me. And at the end, we will practice speaking with shadowing. I will say a line and you will repeat it out loud just like Leo. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is the night before a big day because tomorrow Leo's class is going on a school trip. His mother sits on his bed. Tomorrow I go to work very early. Can you get ready by yourself? Leo feels a little nervous, but he smiles. Yes, Mom, I can do it. He sets his alarm for 6:30 and closes his eyes. But can Leo really do everything on his own? In the morning, the alarm rings at 6:30. Leo wants to sleep a little more, but he tells himself it is time to get up. The house is very quiet because his mother is already at work. Leo feels proud. I am awake and I am early. Today I am on time. Leo goes to the bathroom and washes his face with cold water, and now he feels wide awake. He brushes his teeth and he brushes his hair too. He looks in the mirror with a big smile. I can do this. His clothes are waiting on the chair, so he gets dressed quickly. Then he makes his bed, just like his mother showed him. I am ready. But is Leo really ready? Before we go on, here are 2 quick questions for you. Write your answers in the comments below. First, did Leo wake up early or did he wake up late? Second, was the house quiet or was it noisy? Leo woke up early and the house was quiet. Did you get them? Let's keep going with the story. Next, Leo goes to the kitchen to make breakfast by himself. He makes some bread, an egg, and a glass of milk, and he eats everything. He even washes his plate. My mom will be so happy. Then he puts his lunch box on the kitchen table. Remember that lunch box because it is very important. Now it is time to pack his bag. Leo puts in his books, his water, and his jacket, and then he closes the bag. It is only 7:15, so he is still early. Leo is happy. I did everything by myself. He opens the front door. But wait, has Leo forgotten something? Leo is walking down the street when he suddenly stops. His bag feels too light and something is missing. He thinks for a moment and then he remembers. I forgot my lunch and it is still on the kitchen table. Now Leo is worried because he does not want to be late. Leo is in a hurry, so he runs back home as fast as he can. In her garden, his neighbor Mrs. Bell laughs. Good morning, Leo. You are moving like a little rocket today. Leo smiles. Good morning, Mrs. Bell. I forgot my lunch. She waves. A hungry boy never forgets his food for long. Go on, hurry. Leo runs inside and takes his lunch box, and now he has everything. And because he woke up early, he still has enough time. At 8 o'clock, Leo arrives at school, and the trip bus is already there. His teacher smiles. Leo, you are early. Good job. Then his phone rings, and it is his mother. Leo, did you get ready by yourself? Leo laughs. Yes, Mom. I washed my face, I got dressed, and I packed my bag. I only forgot one little thing. His mother laughs too. Leo is proud. But I fixed it all by myself. His mother's voice is soft. I am very proud of you. Leo smiles because this was his first big morning alone, and he did it. Now here are 3 questions about the story. Pause the video and write your answers in the comments. First, what did Leo forget? His lunch or his books? Second, did Leo make breakfast by himself? Yes or no? Third, true or false? Leo was late for the school trip. Here are the answers. Leo forgot his lunch. Yes, he made breakfast by himself. And it is false because he was on time. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Now, let's look at some useful phrases from the story. When you get ready, you prepare yourself before you leave. In the story, can you get ready by yourself? When you set an alarm, you make a clock ring to wake you up. In the story, he sets his alarm for 6:30. When you get dressed, you put your clothes on. In the story, he gets dressed quickly. When you brush your teeth, you clean your teeth. In the story, he brushes his teeth. When you pack your bag, you put your things inside it. In the story, now it is time to pack his bag. When you do something by yourself, you do it alone with no help. In the story, he makes breakfast by himself. When you are in a hurry, you move fast because you have very little time. In the story, Leo is in a hurry, so he runs back home. And when you are on time, you are not late. In the story, today I am on time. Are you enjoying the story so far? If you are, please subscribe and give this video a like. It really helps me make more free English lessons for you. Thank you, and let's keep learning. Now it's your turn. You will hear a line from Leo's story 2 times, and then you say the same line out loud by yourself with shadowing. Do not be shy, because speaking is the best way to learn. Let's practice together, line by line. It is the night before a big day. It is the night before a big day. Tomorrow, my class is going on a school trip. Tomorrow, my class is going on a school trip. Can you get ready by yourself? Can you get ready by yourself? Yes, Mom, I can do it. Yes, Mom, I can do it. I set my alarm for 6:30. I set my alarm for 6:30. In the morning, the alarm rings at 6:30. In the morning, the alarm rings at 6:30. It is time to get up. It is time to get up. The house is very quiet this morning. The house is very quiet this morning. I am awake and I am early. I am awake and I am early. Today I am on time. Today I am on time. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Now I feel wide awake. Now I feel wide awake. I brush my teeth and my hair. I brush my teeth and my hair. I look in the mirror with a big smile. I look in the mirror with a big smile. My clothes are waiting on the chair. My clothes are waiting on the chair. I get dressed quickly and make my bed. I get dressed quickly and make my bed. Now I am ready to go. Now I am ready to go. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast by myself. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast by myself. I make bread, an egg, and a glass of milk. I make bread, an egg, and a glass of milk. I eat everything and wash my plate. I eat everything and wash my plate. I put my lunch box on the kitchen table. I put my lunch box on the kitchen table. Now it is time to pack my bag. Now it is time to pack my bag. I put in my books, my water, and my jacket. I put in my books, my water, and my jacket. It is only 7:15, so I am still early. It is only 7:15, so I am still early. I did everything by myself. I did everything by myself. I am walking down the street when I stop. I am walking down the street when I stop. My bag feels too light and something is missing. My bag feels too light and something is missing. I forgot my lunch and it is on the table. I forgot my lunch and it is on the table. I am in a hurry, so I run back home. I am in a hurry, so I run back home. You are moving like a little rocket today. You are moving like a little rocket today. Good morning, Mrs. Bell. I forgot my lunch. Good morning, Mrs. Bell. I forgot my lunch. I take my lunch box, and now I have everything. I take my lunch box, and now I have everything. Because I woke up early, I still have time. Because I woke up early, I still have time. At 8 o'clock, I arrive at school. At 8 o'clock, I arrive at school. You are early. Good job. You are early. Good job. I washed, I got dressed, and I packed my bag. I washed, I got dressed, and I packed my bag. But I fixed it all by myself. But I fixed it all by myself. I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. This was my first big morning alone, and I did it. This was my first big morning alone, and I did it. You did it. Today you listened to Leo's story, you answered the questions, and you spoke English out loud all by yourself. I am really proud of you. His school trip is only just beginning. Where will the bus take him and what will happen next? You will find out in the next story. Subscribe and give it a like so you do not miss it, and keep learning English with me, step by step. See you next time.